What is going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name's Evan and I'm an online reseller. It means I go to places like garage sales and thrift stores looking for items to sell online for a profit. And today I've got kind of a dilemma. I just dropped my daughter off at cheerleading camp, and that means I've got 3 hours to kill, and I don't really know what to do. Should I go home and maybe list some items for sale on eBay? I feel like that might be the responsible choice, or even more responsible, I should probably go home and clean this car out because it's a mess. Or 3, should I go and do the fun thing and go hit up some thrift stores looking for items to sell online for a profit? I don't know. Yeah, that's a no-brainer. We're definitely going to hit up some thrift stores looking for items to sell online for a profit. I've got to hurry. I think maybe I can hit like 4 stores in 3 hours. I do have to drop off stuff at the post office. There's like 15 minutes worth of driving time to go back to get her. So let's hurry, but let's see what we can find. So never seen this before, especially at this Goodwill. It's supposed to open at 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock now. They haven't opened the doors and there are people waiting outside. Never seen anybody waiting outside of this Goodwill before. Hopefully they know something that I don't. Oh, that stinks. So there's a guy putting stuff out and he's got something in his cart that I want, but I can't just take it from him. Gotta wait on him to put it out. So I gotta see where he went. So got the Team Cletus Fox Sports robot, and I honestly don't know exactly how much that's going to bring. I'm going to list it pretty high because it's the only new one on eBay, and some of them are selling pretty high. I'm thinking maybe 50, 60 bucks, but we'll see. Also, let me show you how much of a reseller I am. You see all these boxes right here, empty boxes? They're actually from our Vacation Bible School. I helped with snacks last week at Vacation Bible School. Broke down a bunch of ranch dressing boxes, and obviously I had to bring them home because I can reuse them. I can ship stuff in those. Good first class package boxes there. So yeah, that's how much of a reseller I am. Always thinking about ways to save money. Kind of a smaller store here, and I don't really find a whole lot, but every now and then I pull out a gem and it doesn't take long to look, so we'll try it out. Oh, this guy looks old. Super sweet. I only want $4. I'm gonna grab it and see what happens. Those are old. Those are fine. Let's try it. So, got the Barbies. And jury's still out on those. I'll do some research and let you guys know. But as I was walking out the door, I spotted this sitting there. I only wanted $1 for it. Went to ring it up, and it was actually $0.25 because it's green tag, 75% off. I just gave her $1 and went on my way. Check out the comps on this little thing. Hopefully it works. here's a bolo, if you can find them in good condition. That one's peeling, unfortunately. That one doesn't look bad. Yeah, Nike True Grip. They sell for like 35 bucks. And they sell quick. There's another one. Alright, so they've got these two bicycles sitting out here. This DK 8-pack, that's the gold one, and the silver one, GT Interceptor. I just kind of glanced at comps, and they look really good. I'm going to see how much they want for those two bicycles. Hopefully it's not much, because they're not in that good a condition, but just the frames sell for good money, and take it apart, it should be pretty easy to ship. I don't know, we're gonna find out. Good. How much are basketballs? Oh, inside? Yeah. I want to ask you about two bicycles too.
Bicycle, okay. Yep. All right.
Are you the guy in charge of that?
Uh-huh.
All right. They're over here by the fence. Two kids' bikes.
Mm-hmm.
The gold one right there, it says 8-pack.
Uh-huh.
And then the one behind it, the was it GT?
GT, man. Yeah, I used to race GTs when I was younger. Yeah.
They need some work for sure.
They both need some work.
Yeah.
$10 a piece.
$10 a piece?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be a fun project.
Yeah, man.
I'll take them.
I used to race them when I was younger.
Really?
I know it. You take one little piece off a bike, I'll tell you where it came from, what it does.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I'll get this from you.
All right, cool.
I'm going to say that I never find anything in here because it seems like when I say that, I actually find stuff. We'll see. And Thomas. That's what all these parts and pieces. Only $5.75. I don't know what it is though. Thomas the Train. Who knows if everything's there?
Yeah, I'm about to come back and grab me another board. Y'all sign it.
How much is that?
$5.75.
I'll take it. That's cool. Thank you. So this is actually a sweetgrass basket. They are typically handmade by some ladies down in Charleston, Gullah ladies down in Charleston, South Carolina. Anytime you go down there, you can see them beside the road making these baskets, and they're pretty expensive. And I've actually had good luck selling these on eBay. So for $6, I think we're going to do okay. So the only thing I picked up at Goodwill was the sweetgrass basket. I'm thinking I can get 40, maybe $50 for it. These things are pretty popular. It makes a nice trash can or flower pot too. Not real sure. But time to go drop off all my packages from today at the post office and pick up my daughter. So I checked my mailbox and got this little card which means they have a package for me. And I think it's a return. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good one. So I've got a few minutes before my daughter gets out of cheerleading camp, and I wanted to open this return real quick. It should be some HP photo paper, Sprocket photo paper, and yeah, that's what it is. It was shipped new in the package, and it definitely is, so I can resell it. And the cool thing is they actually did say that they just changed their mind, so they had to pay for shipping to return it to me, so that's not too bad. I don't get a whole lot of returns, maybe one or two every, I don't know, a couple of months. Seems like they come in waves though, like I can make it 2 at one time, and I do actually have another one on the way that may warrant some further discussion in a future video because I think there's going to be something interesting about that. I don't know, but stick around for that. And yeah, let's go get my daughter from volleyball practice or cheerleading practice. All right, how was cheerleading camp?
Good.
It was good. Are you going to be like a professional cheerleader now when you grow up? You don't know. All right, well, we're headed home. I've definitely got some investigating to do, especially on the Barbies and the bicycles, so we'll go over that when I get there. I think we did pretty good today for having only 3 hours, but we'll see. So I'm back. It's actually been a couple of days, and I'm sitting here playing with some Barbies and doing some research on them, trying to identify them and see how much they're worth. And honestly, the Lady Barbie dolls are really hard to identify. There's several dates on them, and Google Lens isn't much help, but the two Ken dolls are gonna do pretty well. Grandpa Ken should actually pay for everything. I only paid $12 for all this stuff. I've got 5 dolls and then all these vintage clothes and accessories. I'm thinking about putting them in just a big lot, take a bunch of pictures and let them go up for auctions. I'll sort through one or two and see if they're worth selling separately, but probably gonna be in an auction. Also spent about 30 minutes taking apart the GT Interceptor bicycle. It's from 1997, so it's a vintage BMX bike. Doesn't do as good as the one from the 80s, but still does pretty well. Found two that have sold, none listed at that model. And the ones that have sold for around $150, $200, so I think I can get that out of it. I'm definitely taking it apart, selling off the parts and pieces, because that's gonna be a whole lot easier to ship. The DK 8-pack bicycle, jury's still out on that one. I thought I saw a comp when I was at the thrift store, but now I can't find it. It's like it disappeared, so I don't know. But the best find that I think was worth the whole 3 hours of thrifting was that camera, that Olympus Stylus Epic camera, that little 35mm point and shoot camera. Brought it home, tested it, wiped it off, it was a little dusty, and it sold in a couple of hours for $299.50. To me, that was just worth the whole trip right there. But
I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next one.